Now we are going to run through my March results. So March, if you guys have been following my channel, you guys know I took two trades. I took one on gold and one on UJ, quite close to each other. Now, gold was amazing. This was an amazing trade. We took half positions off at 3.66R. We took another half position off for 4.72R, which gave us an average of 4.19R. We took a loss on UJ, that was 1%. And as a result, we have a 50% win rate for the month. We have an average risk reward of 4.19. We have a total risk reward for the month of 3.19, and we made a P&L of $896.74. So let's have a look at both the trades we took. So on gold, beautiful setup. You guys can see, basically it was in an obvious daily uptrend. We did have this pullback. This could have been definitely a daily trade taken, but we had a pump up, right? Pump up here. We had this consolidation for, I think it would have been around a week and a half. It came down, dipped to this point here, which was a very strong support. I decided, hey, look, that's a rejection there. That's a big bullish candle there. Let's get in. We trailed. We got out at around that, just shy of 3,000. And then we got out here as well, which was around $3,013. Beautiful trade. Very, very nice risk to reward. A+ setup on this one. I like the fact that it did accumulate, come down and resisted, or bounced back from that zone. So very beautiful trade on gold. Now the trade on UJ, what was I seeing? I saw this beautiful downtrend, right? Very, very nice downtrend. We had a break of this really strong support zone here. So you can see an area where it reacted vigorously. Again, it sort of reacted here as well, in the sense that it didn't really want to pump down until here. Now I got in on a daily candle here, which is that hammer candle. It was a 50% retracement. I liked the setup. The only thing I'm going to comment on is this pump down isn't as clean as I'd like it. I'd like it to have these candles here, big bearish candles, and then slowly coming back up into the area and then getting down. But as you guys can see, didn't work that way. So we took an L on UJ. Doesn't matter, we are profitable for the month, so very happy with these two trades. Again, last month should have been profitable. We messed up the position size of that, so it is what it is. That's a loss. And then Jan also was a loss. So Q1, a lot of lessons. I believe Q1 should have been profitable. We should have been up to 4.19R. We should have been up. We aren't, obviously, but because of that main fact, I've been putting standard risk is 200 USD. I am going to up that to 300 USD if it's an A+ setup. If it's an A or a B+ setup, we'll put our regular 200 USD, but that's that increase in risk. If we can increase risk for the quarter, Q2, hopefully we are profitable still, increase risk again, and just sort of manage our risk that way. But yeah, that's it for this week, guys. In terms of marking on my charts and what I see, let's just do this first. So the dollar index, you can see it's sort of consolidating. It is a downtrend though, so still net bearish on the dollar right now. Let's have yen here. Yen was a little bit of consolidation. I think this area here is quite strong for support, but yeah, that's just my speculation. I believe we're still in a bullish market for this. UJ is a potential trade. So if I go here on UJ and pop in a 4-hour, actually not even that, a daily here. This isn't engulfing. It's not a beautiful engulfing, but this area here was quite significant. There is that sort of triangle forming, right? I think I might get in this trade. I'm pretty confident once the market opens, I might get into this trade, put maybe stop around there and see how that goes. The only thing I might comment on is this big accumulation candle right there, or that big rejection wick. I'm sort of sussing that out just because I don't like that. If I get in here, I might even risk just 100 USD just to dip my feet in the water and have something in the market. But yeah, for the time being, it looks like I will probably get into this trade. Next trade, AU, we're on the sidelines. It's ranging, so doesn't matter. UJ, let me just get rid of this because we took an L there already. UJ, like I said, USD, I'm not really too confident on trading right now. It is in a very nice zone though. It is in a very nice zone here. But UJ, not confident in trading right now, just of yet. I'd rather trade AJ if anything. Let's go US 30. Beautiful rejection on US 30. Pump down. If price does end up coming back up here, we might take a trade. We'll see how it goes. And then gold, if price can come down here, we might take a trade depending on the 4-hour candle that prints. So that's it, guys. Peace.